In this video I will show you how to create shortcut Google Translate easily in Windows 10 and 11. Open your Google Chrome web browser, search Google Translate or type translate.google.com. Go to right corner of your browser, click three-dot option, click More Tool option, Create Shortcut, click Open as Windows, then click Create. See Google Translate app installed successfully in your desktop. See Google Translate app working well. Don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, share my videos with your friends. Thank you.